Is it English wren?
I thought it was a house wren. I don't know.
A house wren. Okay.
I never heard of an English wren.
We have English wrens at home, don't we, Willem?
No idea.
Mm.
All I remember is a wren that is small. That's the layout.
Now, what was that? They do enjoy our weeds. A lot of bugs down in there.
Mm-hmm.
Our neighbors across here and up the hill have these signs out, you know. They've sprayed their beware
Mm-hmm.
children and dogs who probably can't read the sign. Anyway, I just think it's awful to put that stuff on your lawn. Oh, Nancy, it fell off.
Those are the leaves
Mm-hmm.
from the gum tree.
I think up on the telephone wire.
Oh, those.